Today I'm taking a look at the ZQZ 345-piece Locknuts and Hex Nuts Assortment Kit. Okay, so it does come all organized in this case. So it looks to me like there's only one of these, but it actually says on here there are two pieces of the 1/2" 13. So these are both the same size nut. I guess they probably just couldn't put them both in the same slot. Now you have the same thing here, 1/2" 13, except for these ones are the nylon lock nuts. You can see the big difference between them is that white nylon ring in there, so that is going to grab onto the threads to make sure that this thing doesn't accidentally spin loose. Kind of like putting lock thread on there, except it's built into the nut. Very good tool if you're going to be putting this on something that's going to actuate or vibrate a lot. Now this set is SAE, which is nice because most sets are in metric only, and it's very agreeable to actually have a set that'll work with some of the bolts that I use. Something I always look for in a nut like this is just making sure that there is no burrs or anything nasty going on the threads, and these look super smooth. So these are very well cut. The only way to check is really just to try to put it on a bolt, and that slides very nicely. Now these are all stainless steel, so what that means is they're not going to rust or corrode like it would with a normal steel bolt. So if you're going to be doing anything that's going to be outside, exposed to the elements, this is going to be the style that you want. Also just nice to use to know that you're not going to be getting kind of rust on your equipment. So overall, that is a very nice set of nuts.